have you written any topic or just question?
Yeah, I only written question.
Okay,
You
that's
suggest
nice.
me, na? Yeah,
Yeah,
because I
yeah.
don't know
All
very about tenses, but I try my best.
That's nice. That's nice. You are writing a question. That's a very good for you. You are able to understand that question and that helping verb. So whether it is in future tense or past tense or present tense, it is a very good thing that you are writing that question on yourself. It would be good for you.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So I ask question.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Did you have fun with your friends yesterday?
Yeah. I did fun with my friend yesterday. Actually, we were in college, so our history class was going on at that time. So my friend said, "Okay, let's do fun because now today our teacher hasn't come because of some work in his house have a marriage ceremony. So that's why he's not here. He's not in college. Let's do something. Let's do party." Then we went outside the college and we did celebration as a birthday party, and we were celebrated. We ate some junk foods, you know.
Okay.
And yeah, we did a lot of fun yesterday.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Great. Next
What the
question.
next question?
Did you have a
um
nice weekend?
well, yeah, I have a nice weekend. Not very nice, but yeah, it was moderate. It was not because mm in weekend I'm a student person, so I love to do my study. Sometimes I also do some other kind of activity just for be fun, or just for walk here and there, just dance and singing. All these things I used to do. But what happened in weekend, I was thinking how should I do my study, because it's been long time. I'm not able to do my study. I need to do my study. I was just thinking, and I was just making timetable. How should I do my study exactly? So this weekend was not nice just because of my study. But yeah, if I talk about is it very good, so not very good, but it's a moderate. It's a moderate.
Okay. What were you doing 10 minutes ago?
Hmm. So, 10 minutes ago, I was talking to my sister, and we were discussing to go market to buy something. Uh, because in next month, one festival is a coming Karvasho, that is a women
Yeah.
festival. So my sister
Yeah.
said, let's go market and let's purchase some things, means some makeup or just
Yeah.
etc like that. Hinas. So we were just
Yeah.
discussing, and she said, "Let's go." She's unmarried, but we wanted to buy this just because of our elder sister, because she would be fast. So that's why we were first. And I was also before discussing, I was doing my study, but just at 3 p.m. I just get off and go for the eat something, because it's been long time. I was just doing my study. In morning time I just took a shower at 10, and since then I was just doing my study. So 3 p.m. I just wake up, and she started saying to me, just let's go market, um, something for just that one festival is coming. I said, okay, let's go. So we were just discussing this, and nothing is special.
Wow. What were you doing at noon yesterday?
At noon yesterday, I was reading a book. That book name was I think a rapid fight English speaking course. So why I was reading this book? You know what? When I was in my 12th, so one of my teacher who was so close to me, he was my English teacher, but right now he's not my English teacher. So he was my English teacher. So all teacher love me a lot. All teacher used to appreciate me when I was in school. So he gave me this book. He said, Sandhya, if you want to speak English, if you will read this book, it would be the good for you, and you can easily learn English. You can easily learn some phrases, idioms, and in this book I have a lot of material regarding English speaking. It would be the very helpful for you. Then I said, okay. Then he gave it to me. But when I opened it, when I started to reading, then I realized that at evening time, I realized that this book is a really not for me, literally, because I am an educated person. I can read, I can write, I can speak. I am a capable to speak. I'm capable to talk any topic. So this book is a for beginner, and this book, if I say to, it's my own opinion, this book is a for illiterate person, uneducated person, because in this book have a Hindi meaning. Hindi meaning means, if I said how are you, this how are you would be is translated in Hindi. If you don't know how to read in English, and if you know how to read in Hindi, then you can easily learn this language, or you can easily read this book. This book is a for illiterate or the beginner. Yeah,
Okay,
as I said.
yeah,
Mhm.
if anyone want to buy this book, so where they search?
You can easily get, I think, on Flipkart or Flipkart, or just Amazon. Anywhere you can find out. In market also you can find. If you will say, I want a English speaking rapid fight course, then they will give it to. It's not
Okay.
MP publisher. That book name is a rapid fight English speaking course. And 1 minute. RK Gupta.
Okay. One you show me.
I will send you a photo. Don't worry. I will send you a photo.
Actually, I
Yeah.
not want this book, but if anyone want, so yeah,
Okay, you can.
yeah, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
definitely. Yeah. Hmm.
okay,
Okay.
yeah.
So what's your
My
next question?
had you sung
Mm,
song?
had you sung a song? So I never ever did this. I don't like to sing a song, if I say to be honestly, because just because of my study, and I always just do my study, and I don't like to listen songs, but yeah, sometime I listen, but most of the time I prefer to listen song in English. So as
Hmm.
you know, I can't sing in English. I tried several times. I tried. I just listen these lyrics. I thought, okay, now I'm able to understand. Gradually I will start to sing also this song, because it's important. If you start to sing the English song, it would be good for you. You are doing a, your speaking practice, if you are doing a mimicry or just anything. So this is the good. I tried several time, and yeah, I used to do, if I said to you. So yeah, sometime, whenever I feel like, whenever I feel good, or just if whenever I talked any good person, or he gave me appreciation, or just we talked in, I get something from that person, some kind of things, means knowledgeable or just anything else, or it's, or something happened to me, if anybody said to me you are good, or just you are doing this and that, whenever I feel good, it's a depend on my mood, then I prefer to listen song. Otherwise I just do my study. Okay, I'm going to ask you. So what was your study? What did you do?
Yesterday I do lot of work
Mhm.
because yesterday, yeah, I went to market, so I buy something because I brought something too, and
Mhm.
was Karwa Chauth around the corner, so I am
Mhm.
married, and I also doing fast, so I buy sari and some jewelry, artificial jewelry I love, and makeup kits. And yesterday, yeah, I went evening walk, so
Mhm.
I talked there. I talked with ladies. I
Mhm.
You can say gossip. I do gossip. I did gossip there, and
Okay.
I backbite to backbiting to each other. But yeah, I not did backbite because
Uh-huh.
I I was only talk one lady
Mm.
in my building. She speaks very good English, so I try to join this lady every time. So whenever I go my evening walk, so I
Mhm.
try to join this lady. So I went with her to my evening walk, and I talk each other, and I made food, and I drop my kids to their school. So my means I did my all housework, and evening walk and shopping, all things I did yesterday.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So what did you buy? What did you buy?
I brought I buy, yeah, but I brought sari and makeup kits and karwa, chalni, all material,
Mm-hmm.
what we use our puja worship.
Mm-hmm.
So
What?
I buy all things and sari for my mother-in-law and bichua. I don't know what say in English bichua. So
Mm-hmm.
I buy all things.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So, where did
Too
you?
much rush in market nowadays. Too much rush in market means there are a lot of people buying some things.
Okay. Did you
Yeah.
try to talk some stranger people in market? Some stranger women, as I can say, because as I have listened, people say women are so curious to talk anybody. They can easily talk anybody in either in market or in bus or in train anywhere.
Actually, I haven't talked to anyone. I only, yeah, one lady say this earring suitable to you. Said one
Mm-hmm.
lady. So I say, yeah, this is means I only take their opinion how this jewelry this is suitable for me or not. Didn't. So yeah, I not I didn't talk too much. Only little I talked.
Okay. Did you do bargaining to shopkeeper?
Yeah, yeah, I did.
Okay. Okay, so
Yeah.
what did you buy for your kids?
Uh, for kids, I didn't buy anything yesterday, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I'll go and buy something because my sister wedding last month. No,
Mm-hmm.
next month. Sorry, next month.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
I will buy something. Yeah,
Okay,
when
that's
buy
okay.
something. Yeah.
Okay. So, did you go any restaurant?
Actually, I actually I like restaurant food, but yesterday I only went one place, but I didn't eat anything. My husband and kids, they eat momos and spring roll, but I haven't you eat because there are both they sell both, means veg and non-veg, and we are pure
Exactly.
vegetarian. We are pure vegetarian. So I haven't eat anything. I didn't like this restaurant. So I
Okay. Oh God. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Okay.
so that's
Okay.
why I bought it. That time my mouth was watering. Oh my god, how tasty it is. They were eat. They were eat. And when I came back home, I got very angry. Yeah, I got very angry. My husband, my kids, okay, don't talk with me. You both are you everyone eat only except me. Why you took me like this restaurant? You know very well I don't like this restaurant. Why you
Yeah.
took
Sure.
me?
Yeah. Sure. In market have both kind of restaurants, but a non-vegetarian, vegetarian both. If you would like to go, you can go. If I think he make excuses. He thought if he will eat, it will be.
Yeah.
he,
Yeah.
I think he didn't want to waste his money, so that's why he made excuses.
They all eat. Only me, except me,
Oh
they all
God.
eat.
Were you only were you only looking at them when they were eating?
Yeah, that my mouth was watering. Oh my god, how tasty! He say this is this is not a non-veg. This is vegetarian. You can eat. I say no. They not wash their hand. They took means they give vegetarian and non-vegetarian and
Oh,
same hand.
hygiene.
Yeah,
Hygiene.
that
Then you want a hygiene food. Mm-hmm.
I only like a vegetarian. Yeah,
So, how about your weekend?
it's very good. this weekend I had lot of fun because Navratra, Dasera. So I enjoyed lot of. I worshipped God, and I didn't keep fast because my health is not very good. But yeah, I enjoyed lot of. And Dashera, I
Mm-hmm.
went fair, and I visited fair, and there lots of. I did lots of fun. I watched there Ramayana and Lanka Dahan. It means all things I enjoyed, and this weekend my kids holiday, so they stay home. So,
Mm-hmm.
every time I played with my kids, and sometime I visited here and there with my kids.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yes.
okay. That's nice.
So
Nice. Mm-hmm.
this weekend, nice weekend for me. And
Mm-hmm.
I made a special dish. Some
Mm-hmm.
means every night kids they mama I want to eat this thing, so I made. And yeah,
Mm-hmm.
every morning I get up very early, but in this
Oh,
weekend I got up very late.
why is it? What's happened?
because because when kids went to school, every morning kids go to school, so I
Oh,
need to prepare food and his lunch box, all things. So in this weekend, his holidays, so I only yeah. Oh, now I took rest, and I get up. I thought every time it morning, because in morning time it's cold time. So actually I love wake up morning, but I don't know why I feel lazy. Whenever my kids holiday, so I feel lazy. I don't
mm,
know. Everyone have this
yeah.
happen with me.
You, you are. You forced me remembered one moment on Navratri when Navratri was going on. At that
Hmm.
time, I wanted to go Navratri visit and I wanted to go for see Ma Durga, but it was happened to me that I was not able to go just because they were my family member were going there. Then I said, okay, I had been finished my work, then I'll go with you. It's been take only 2 or 3 minutes. I'll be go. Then said no, we are going. Then said, okay, you can go. So I was not able to. It's my biggest mistakes. I don't know why, but I even though I'm not able to understand either I would like to go in outside or not. Sometimes I feel okay, I need to go in outside, but whenever I went in outside or just whenever I would be in market then I feel bored or just whenever I saw people here and there I feel monotonous. Mm, they means the way they talk, the way they looked at us, the way they behave, the way they sang song whenever any girls are in market. At that time I felt I think I should be not there. This place is not safe. It's
Yeah.
a very bizarre, it's a very weird thing which happened to me a lot. Whenever I would be in outside, I always think, no, I'm not going any outside. I will be in my house. I will be at home because outer in outside people are not good. But I think
You know,
I need
same,
to replace
same
this.
my younger sister. Same like you, same my younger sister. She never want to go outside. She okay. She when she did their study, so she say, "Oh
Mm-hmm.
my God, I do this thing." Means she not want to go outside. Anyone buy something, so yeah, she is happy. You buy for me, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm very happy. She means she not want to go outside. She
Mm-hmm.
only want to study. She only want to study.
If you would be free any other day, then we will do our question answer other day. 2 days for I think it's enough. 30 minutes is enough.
Okay.
Okay. Just
Okay.
yeah. Just
Whenever
save this question.
you message me, if you message in group, so don't worry. I accept in group, so I can join you. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. Definitely, definitely. I will message you.
Give me my feedback. How I performance.
Yeah, it was good. It was good practice. Just do your practice. You would be good. At least
Yeah.
you are able to talk now. Nowadays you are improving. because just because of your practice, now you are doing past tense practice and future tense, so that's why you are able to think in past tense. That's the major thing. So try to talk as much as you can. It would be the helpful for you. The way, the more you are going to speak, the more you are going to improve. That's a
Okay.
major thing. Okay then,
Okay.
bye.
Bye.